Hello and welcome. We are hydroscientists.
In times of natural disasters like floods, earthquakes, and landslides, or man made crises like war, access to clean drinking water becomes one of the first casualties. People are often cut off from fresh water sources, and existing water supplies are contaminated with harmful chemicals, bacteria, and debris. So, we have come up with an emergency water filter called Swasthya Jal.
The Swasthya Jal kit consists of four core components.
Water holder. We used a 1 liter food grade Tetra Pak as the water holder, selected for its durability, lightweight nature, and practicality in emergency settings. The opaque design of the Tetra Pak prevents light from penetrating, thus inhibiting the growth of algae. The Tetra Pak can be easily suspended using strong nylon wires, enabling gravity based filtration. The next key element of the filtration system is the graphene filter. Graphene is an advanced nanomaterial that is particularly effective in removing chemical components, heavy metals, and even small organic molecules. We synthesized graphene in our lab by converting carbon powder into graphene through a combustion process. This material was then packed into a syringe based filter cartridge, which contains filter pads to hold the graphene in place. When contaminated water passes through this filter, the graphene layers capture and remove harmful substances, ensuring cleaner, safer water.
Ultra filter. The third component of the Swasthya Jal system is the ultra filter, which adds an extra layer of protection by removing harmful microorganisms. The ultra filter uses hollow fiber membranes that can filter out particles as small as 0.003 microns. This capability ensures that even the tiniest pathogens, such as bacteria and viruses, are trapped and removed from the water before it is consumed. The ultra filter is an essential addition to the system, providing an extra level of safety against waterborne diseases.
Two vials of 2.5% sodium hypochlorite solution are included in the kit to disinfect the filter after multiple uses.
Our filter has been tested with contaminated water, including dye solutions and water contaminated with microbes. And the results show that the water was purified to meet safety standards.
Aditya and Gauri were responsible for designing the filter while the entire team collaborated for building it. Thank you.